Hello, you are welcome to my channel. So this is the example 6 of the calculations that falls under resistance and resistivity. The question is, the resistance of 1.5 kilometer of wire of cross-sectional area 0.17 millimeter square is 150 ohms. Determine the resistivity of the wire. The resistance of 1.5 kilometers of wire of cross-sectional area 0.17 millimeter square is 150 ohms. Determine the resistivity of the wire. Please, before we start with the solution, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's write down our data. So we have the length L, which is 1.5 kilometers, which is also 1500 meters. Then we have the cross-sectional area A, which is also 0.17 millimeter square. Then we have the resistance R, which is also equal to 150 ohms. So we are to determine the resistivity. Okay, all right. So our solution, we know that resistance R is equal to rho L over area. Rho is the resistivity, L is the length, and then A is the cross-sectional area. So we have R equals rho L over area. Resistance equals rho, which is the resistivity, multiplying the length over the cross-sectional area. Okay, so the question said we should what? Determine the resistivity of the wire. That means we have to find rho. What we do is we make rho the subject. Okay, all right. So resistivity rho is R A dividing L. That is resistance multiplying the cross-sectional area over the length. So when we make rho, which is the resistivity, the subject, we have R A over L, resistance multiplying cross-sectional area over the length. Okay, so let's substitute the values now. So R, which is resistance, is what? 150 ohms, multiplying the cross-sectional area, which is 0.17 times 10 raised to the power negative 6 meter square, all over the length, which is 1500 meters. So when you multiply 150 by 0.17 times 10 raised to the power negative 6, and then we divide it by 1500, we are going to get what? 0.017 times 10 raised to the power negative 6 ohm meter. Okay, so our resistivity now is going to be what? 0.017 micro ohm meter. Okay, 10 raised to the power negative 6 is what? Micro. So our final answer for the resistivity rho is what? 0.017 micro ohm meter. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you.